A year ago, when Delmar Harris started his job as an accounting clerk at Right Way Enterprises, his salary was $38,500. This week, he received a cost of living adjustment of 2.4% and a merit increase of 15%. How will his annual salary be next year? Okay, so as always, we begin the problem by asking ourselves, what are we solving for? We are solving for what his annual salary be next year. In other words, what's his new salary after these raises? Based on that question, it's easy for me to identify that I'm going to need the new salary equation that was given to you in this lesson. So my new salary is going to be equal to my present salary plus the two categories that I got raises in, right? So my cost of living adjustment and my merit increase. Now, a common mistake is to do this. So I'm even going to write it out. A common mistake is that we say, okay, great. His present salary is $38,500. It says right here that his cost of living adjustment, his COLA, is 2.4%, so I add 2.4. And his merit increase is 15%, so I add 15, and that tells me his new salary. Okay, this is incorrect. And even if you had converted these to decimal form, it would still be incorrect. Here's what's happening. When they say cost of living adjustment, what they are really talking about is the cost of living adjustment percent. So cost of living adjustment and cost of living adjustment percent are two different things. To find the actual, so this is in dollars, to find the actual dollar amount of that cost of living adjustment, we take the percentage, which was given to us, and we multiply it by the present salary. Okay? So when they say cost of living adjustment, again, they really mean cost of living adjustment percent. And to find the dollar amount of the adjustment, we take the percent and multiply it by the present salary. And I would do the same thing with merit increase. So if I wanted to find my merit increase, the actual dollar amount, I take the merit increase percent, right, the percentage that they give me, and I multiply it by the present salary. Okay, so in this case, that would give me that my cost of living adjustment would be equal to my present salary of $38,500 multiplied by my cost of living adjustment percent, which is 2.4%, but of course I need to convert it to a decimal first. Okay, so 38,500 multiplied by 0.024 gives me a cost of living adjustment of $924. And I would do the same type of thing to find my merit increase. So I take my present salary, $38,500, I multiply by that 15% merit increase percent, and I find that my merit increase is $5,775. So now going back to my new salary equation, my new salary is equal to my present salary plus that cost of living adjustment, which is $924, plus that merit increase of $5,775. Now, doesn't this look much more reasonable of a raise than what I had here, which was what, 39 bucks, right? So as we do these calculations, kind of double check as you go that the numbers that you're seeing appear reasonable. So when I take the sum of these three, I find that his new salary is going to be $45,199, which is a pretty significant increase from $38,500. So again, we started by identifying what we're solving for, which is the new salary. We grabbed our new salary equation. We avoided making the mistake of misreading cost of living adjustment percent and mistaking it for cost of living adjustment. We calculated cost of living adjustment and merit increase. And then once we had those two numbers, we added that to our old salary to figure out our new salary.